Welcome back, guys. So right now it's time for me to create a content calendar. So now we've gotten the type of post we can create here on Facebook. So let's start to create a content calendar. So right now I would say I want to create a content calendar for Glad Tech Academy Facebook page. Yes, that is very important. So the name of the brand, yes, Facebook page. Create Facebook tailored content for the next 30 days. 30 days. These are the type of content that promotes tech education, resources, and everything tech within. Facebook has the following form of content. It's just normal English. English is the new way. You can use it for marketing, you can use it for coding. So before, English used to be something that is used to communicate, but right now is more of the way you communicate with everything. So right away, let's try to build this up. So we have all this. So you have everything and everything tech. Yes, and everything tech. So right here we have Facebook has the following forms of content. So just to give more like insight to what we want to create, short textual content on color, okay, textual textual content backed with graphics. Yes, we have this as well. Then we have video content. Yes, so we have video content. So these are three forms of content. Then I think we should have poll. No, a page does not have a poll because if we are talking about business pages. So right here is just short textual content on color, textual content backed with graphics, video content basically. So we're going to say create the calendar. We've done all the prompts we needed to do, and here we are. So short textual content for educative thread, for educative and informational thread. Okay. So we have things like this, and we could go on and on. It could be educational and informational thread. So we have textual content backed with graphics or carousel, but graphics is okay. Yes, video content. So an infographics would have been perfect for Facebook because Facebook is actually a one image kind of social media platform. But let's see what the content calendar looks like. So let's have this sent and let's see what the content calendar will look like. So let's have Google Docs opened. Of course, Google Docs is very important in this case. So let's have Google Docs opened so we could actually extract our content calendar to Google Docs. So right here, we are using Gemini to create the content calendar, and here we are. So you have your content calendar right here, and you see you have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day, day 7. Then you have for week 2. So we have a content calendar right here made for Facebook only. So this way I'm going to show you how to create these different types of content in a way that it embellish your Facebook page. So here we are. So I'm going to have the content calendar formatted. I'm going to have it pasted here on Facebook. Then I'm going to have it formatted. So right here we have week 1. So let me just copy all these so that I can format it much more later. So here we are. So there's a pro tip. I'm always not ignoring this pro tip. So it says for the short form content, use high contrast background like bright blue or orient to stop the scroll. For videos, ensure the first 3 seconds have a hook. Okay, so yeah, we have. Would you like me to draft the specific captions and copy for the next 7 days of this calendar, which is what we're going to say yes, but let's copy the calendar right here. So we're going to have our content calendar right here. So here we are. So we're going to say, so we have the content calendar pasted here. So I'm going to say Biotech Academy content calendar. So it's going to be Bilal Tech. Okay, it's going to be Bilal Tech Academy. Okay, content calendar. So this is perfect, and I'm going to have something here. So I'm going to paste this right now, which is this. I'm going to copy and I'm going to come paste it right here. So here we are. So this is a 30 days content calendar which can be refined by you as a social media manager. But yeah, let's click on yes so that we can proceed. So this says it wants to give us the exact caption and copy. So we say yes for the exact caption and copy. Remember this. So if you have to extend your calendar, you have to ask for captions and copy. So I'm going to say yes for the next 7 days. So let's see what we are going to work on. This is more like an action plan. So here you have day one, the mindset shift. So you have the stack is now who's ready to start their journey. Drop a me in the comment section. Really just for engagement. And it's day two says textual contents backed with graphic idea, a clean list, infographic titled 5 demand tech skills for 2026. So you have all these, and the human side video content. So start with a shot of a laptop opening on a smiling student. Same member caption. People often ask what really happens at the Tech Academy. So we're going to have it is more than just coding, it's design of people, visitors here. So you have all those things. So day four, your reality check. So when you check this content calendar, you just see it's just it's just an expansion of what that is. So it's going to be Bila Tech Academy, of course, Bila Tech Academy, yes, or a day in life of a student, yes, it could be that as well. What's stopping you from starting your tech journey today? Be honest. That's a texture. There's a textual content. Yes, Facebook is not actually really hard. You just have to create content. So graphic. So 3 AI tools every student should use for productivity. So you have graphic and how to choose between UI, UX, and web development. So the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So this could have been a quote instead of texture. So we could design a quote card for these. So we need a quote card. Yes. So types of graphics, yes, so we could actually talk about types of graphics that could come into this. So we have graphic and we could have created a quote card. So this now could be a quote card. Let me just make sure I ensure that. So I'll show you what a quote card is. It's something that is popular on Facebook. So we're going to say this should be a quote card. Yes, it should be a quote card. So that is perfect. So we have colored, we have infographics. So another type of graphics on Facebook is infographics, which is very important. Yes, infographics. Yeah, perfect. And let's see video. It has to be an AI video. So I have to choose between UI, UX, and web development. So this is basically just it. And here we are. So we're going to see how to create all these components one by one. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.